Haley Chiles is a licensed counselor and practicing Christian who wants to talk openly with young clients about faith and identity. She says Colorado law censors those conversations.
When I am actively having my speech chilled, then I can't be transparent and honest and genuine with my clients, and that's a real disservice to them.
Chiles' legal team, the Alliance Defending Freedom, calls the ban a direct attack on her First Amendment rights and religious beliefs.
This is voluntary therapy where a client is there for counseling conversations, asking to fulfill their own goals, which include aligning their biological sex with the way that they feel, with their gender, and feeling like they can live according to their faith.
Conversion therapy, also known as reparative therapy, often involves prayer, pastoral support, or other counseling methods.
The Colorado law at issue here prohibits conversations that it perceives designed to change an individual's sexual orientation or gender identity, but allows conversations that affirm and support sexual orientation and gender identity.
The American Psychiatric Association, American Medical Association, and American Academy of Pediatrics are among organizations condemning the practice, warning it can lead to depression, low self-esteem, and possibly suicide.
It doesn't work, has no basis, and regardless of how it's performed, there can be real harms from this practice.
In a statement, Phil Weiser also insists it does not prevent healthcare professionals from sharing information, content, or viewpoints with a patient or others, and does not require therapists to affirm any orientation or identity. Critics argue Colorado has a pattern of policies that discriminate against people of faith, citing cases involving a web designer who declined same-sex marriage services, and Baker Jack Phillips, who faced numerous complaints for refusing cakes celebrating same-sex weddings and gender transition.
Colorado also recently passed a law, HB 1312, that demands the use of so-called preferred pronouns in any space of public accommodation.
Last year, the 10th Circuit upheld Colorado's minor conversion therapy law, ruling it regulates professional conduct, not speech, a key question now before the High Court.
LGBTQ advocacy groups are warning that this case could set a dangerous precedent.
Colorado is among 24 states plus Washington, D.C. that bans conversion therapy for minors.
For the health and safety of our LGBTQ patients, it is crucial that the dangerous practice of conversion therapy be banned nationwide.
5 states have partial bans, while 4, Alabama, Georgia, Indiana, and Florida, currently prohibit them. Depending on the court's decision, it could have major impact nationwide.
Because think about the implications if we start pulling back on the free speech of professionals in this country.
Under the Colorado law, counselors like Chiles face fines and suspended or revoked licenses. The court's ruling is expected by June. In Washington, Tara Mergener, CBN News.